Hey guys, it's Prince, and today I wanted to give you guys an up-close and personal look of the very popular Yealink T54W. So, the T54W is a 16-line simultaneous capable phone. It sports Yealink's HD voice in the handset as well as the speaker, so it's got exceptional sound. Now, even though this phone does not have a touchscreen like some of Yealink's other phones do, it has a really nice tilt screen. And this is actually a rare feature on not only a lot of phones in general, but on a lot of the Yealink phones. So you don't have to worry about adjusting the kickstand or changing the angle of the kickstand. If you need a better viewing angle, you can just simply move the screen. It's got really nice ergonomic buttons, which is pretty standard typical with a lot of the newer Yealink phones. One of the other cool things about this phone, which is a rare feature in most phones today, is it has built-in Wi-Fi and built-in Bluetooth. So you can connect this to a Wi-Fi network as well as connect this to Bluetooth compatible headsets without the need for any adapters. Last but not least, on the back interfaces, you've got your internet port here, which this is PoE capable. I'm charging this with just a regular PoE cable coming from my switch, but you can use an optional AC adapter if you don't have PoE or don't want to use it. It's got a gigabit pass-through, as you can see here, so this is gigabit, but it does allow for you to go and connect internet to another internet-capable device like a PC. And while it does have a USB port for USB headset capability, it also has a RJ9 port for an optional headset as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, the very popular Yealink T54W.